So now that we have the system coded, we're going to jump into video 3 here, and we're just going to look at this bit at the end, okay, and see what challenge it makes. So let's say we've only coded for 4 steps so far. So I know I need to do a step 50 and a step 60, okay? Now, in step 50, A is to extend, and then A is to return. Now, it's very natural for us to think that we should just go in step 50, and we should trigger an output that says A return. And it's very natural to do something like that, but that is wrong. And some of the problems is this will allow you to download to the PLC, but your PLC, that when you go to run the code, it actually won't work. The problem with that is in ladder logic, you can only have an output on the right hand side as an output coil once. And you can see here, I have it. Sorry, that should have been A extend. That again. A extend. I have it here twice. See that? So I can't do that. So what you need to do is you need to combine those two rules, and it actually brings us back to basics. It's very easy to do. Brings us back to basics. We just need to do an OR gate. So we can say, well, in step 10 or in step 50, which basically means in step 1 or in step 5, I will make A extend. So that's one of the problems to watch out for. You don't want to fall into that trap. You don't want to repeat an output on the right hand side more than once. It can appear on the left hand side multiple times as an input. Inputs can be used as many times as you want, but an output can only be used as an output coil once. Then the last part of this as well, we have to make A return. And again, look, this is the second time we're using A return. So be careful with that. And that will be in step 60. So we got to make that an OR gate to put that in there. Okay. And that's as simple as that for the outputs. The inputs is no problem. It just stays the same way. So we've got to extend this out. So I'll put in 2 new networks in here. And what we'll do is we'll copy those down. So in 50, go to 60. And we know in 50 it makes A extend, so we're looking for AL1. And then we'll copy that down, go 60. Then we'll go back to 0. That'll be ALO, because we want to go back to rest. Actually, well, I didn't have to put them in. And that's how we expand our system to allow the output to be used more than once. We just have to use an OR gate.